एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज इस वीडियो में मैं आपको प्रोवाइड करने वाली हूँ एमएससी फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री का पेपर विद सॉल्यूशन। जो पेपर है वो मैं आपको वीडियो के लास्ट में प्रोवाइड करूँगी। हम सॉल्यूशंस देखते हैं। सो लेट्स प्रोसीड फर्दर। सेक्शन ए, क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, राइट अ नोट ऑन मेटल नाइट्राइड्स। Metal nitrides are those compounds which are formed by the combination of metal and nitrogen, or those compounds which have nitrogen and other metal are known as metal nitrides. मैं आपको कोई डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड नहीं करूँगी इस वीडियो में, सिर्फ आपको मैं नोट्स प्रोवाइड करूँगी प्रीवियस ईयर के, जो आपकी प्रिपरेशन के लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहेंगे. प्रिपरेशन ऑफ मेटल नाइट्राइड्स, देन थर्मल डिकम्पोजिशन, properties of metal nitrides. Metal nitrides react with water to form ammonia. Then with sodium and potassium hydroxide, metal nitrides get decomposed. This is the reaction. Classification of nitrides. Metal nitrides can be classified into 5 types. First, salt-like nitrides. Second, diamond-like nitrides. Third, interstitial nitrides, which are also known as transition metal nitrides. Then covalent nitrides, which are also known as cluster compound. Then nitride complex. Next, application of metal nitrides. Now next question, discuss atomic inversion. When molecule undergoes an inversion reaction, it is commonly known as atomic inversion. This is the graph of potential energy versus reaction energy. Atomic inversion is also observed in the P molecule, but the energy behavior of P is much more greater than NH3. Here P refers to phosphorus. Next question, explain Bent rule and its application. According to Bent rule, more electronegative substituents prefer hybrid orbitals having less character, and more electropositive substituents prefer hybrid orbitals having more s character. For example, ये हमारा example है. S character is directly proportional to bond strength, directly proportional to bond angle, and inversely proportional to bond length. Applications of Bent rule. Structure of difluoromethane and structure of methane. Next, describe spectrophotometry method for determination of stability constants of metal complex. So this is the definition of spectrophotometric method. This is the graph of molar absorptivity versus wavelength. This is the derivation. Next, what are isopoly acids? Discuss nomenclature and classification of isopoly acids. The polyacids containing only one type of acid anhydrides are called isopoly acids. Example, polychromic acids, H2O.X CrO3, where X is greater than 1. Then isopoly acids and their salt. Structure of isopoly acids. This is the structure of isopoly acids. Section B. What are metal carbonyls? Discuss general methods of preparation, properties and bonding in metal carbonyls. Metal carbonyls की definition आ गई है हमारी. Then preparation methods of metal carbonyls. Metal carbonyls can be prepared by direct synthesis, by direct combination of CO with finely divided transition metals under suitable condition of temperature and pressure forms carbonyls. For example, this is the reaction Fe plus 5CO gives FeCO5. Metal carbonyls can also prepared by direct synthesis involving Grignard reagent. इसमें हम Grignard reagent का यूज करके metal carbonyl को synthesize करेंगे. Then bonding in metal carbonyls. Synergic bonding. This is all about metal carbonyls and their bonding. Moving on to the next question. Discuss the salient features of VSEPR theory and explain the structure of ICl4, NH3 and H2O on the basis of VSEPR theory. These are the features of VSEPR theory. Structure of BeCl2, which is trigonal, and structure of BeCl2, which is linear, and structure of BF3, which is trigonal. Lone pair effect, and then structure of NH3. NH3 has pyramidal shape. H2O molecule has bent shape instead of tetrahedral. This is the structure of H2O molecule. ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो जिसमें हमने सॉल्यूशंस प्रोवाइड करी थी प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर की. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो. ये थी हमारी